Since we launched our 6-month Welsh Speaker course, we've been inundated with questions. Here are the answers to the most common ones. What does the course cover? It does 3 different important things. It takes you all the way through Level 1 and Level 2 of the Say Something in Welsh course. Level 1 is our free course, so you can get that on its own if you don't want the rest of the 6-month course. It also takes you through a wide range of carefully developing listening exercises, including our unique accelerated listening exercises. Finally, via the tasks we set each week, it takes you into a gradually increasing range of conversational settings and helps you build the social and technological structures that will help you make speaking Welsh part of your everyday life. Seriously, the guarantee? Yes, lots of people have told us that it doesn't make any sense for a language course to offer a 100% money-back guarantee. They say, oh, everyone learns at different speeds, everyone's different, you can't promise results. We disagree for 2 main reasons. First, everybody we've seen go through these exercises has ended up capable of holding an interesting conversation in Welsh. Second, and more important, if you're not happy with how well you speak Welsh at the end of this course, we don't want you to have paid for it. We don't care what other language courses do. We are entirely happy to be paid on results only. So if you're not happy with how you're doing at any time, we'll offer you a full refund. In fact, if you're not keeping up with the course, if you're not getting through the exercises we've asked you to do, we'll politely ask you to leave the course and again, refund you in full. This course exists to turn people into Welsh speakers. So if you're not doing the work or you're not happy with the results, we give you your money back. Do the online lessons take place at a particular time on Thursday? Or how long do the video sessions last on a Thursday? First up, let's be clear. The video group sessions are either question and answer sessions or speaking practice sessions. They're not lessons in the way that you might imagine a classroom lesson. They currently take place between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. on Tuesday nights and Thursday nights, and that's Wales time. The question and answer is from 6 until 7. The speaking practice is from 7 until 8. We're hoping to add extra afternoon sessions in the very near future. How big will the group be on a Thursday? This is a very important point. These are not classroom lessons, so we don't restrict for size in the same way. Every session is open to everyone on the course, because we found it's particularly valuable for learners at different stages to mix with each other and get to know each other. In practice, as we add more and more sessions, this means sometimes you'll be in a group video with just 4 or 5 people apart from the tutor. At other times, you'll have a full class, 9 plus the tutor, with another dozen or so waiting for their turn and 30 or 40 choosing just to watch live on YouTube. When it's busy, we run on a hot seat basis. So for the question and answer sessions, if you have your questions ready, you'll get your turn and then we'll expect you to let someone else join the group. For the conversation practice, if it's busy, we'll give you 2 or 3 chances to speak and then ask you to pass the baton on. The group video sessions are not a replacement for one-on-one conversational work. They are an opportunity to listen and to get chances to talk on what will often be a hot seat basis. Unlike evening classes, these are not the main focus for your speaking work. Does it work for absolute beginners? Yes. This course has been designed to work for people who literally do not have a single word of Welsh. But don't worry if you already know quite a bit. The way our exercises work, you will be put under plenty of valuable pressure even in just the first few weeks. We believe in short, sharp bursts, like high-intensity training, accessible for complete beginners, but tough enough to put everyone through their paces. Is it really only £200? And not a monthly subscription? yes. Our Brain Shock 10-day intensives are £2,000 if they're done online, or £4,000 person to person. The point of the 6-month Welsh Speaker course is to make those results available for everyone, so the £200 course fee is a one-off charge. If you choose, you can pay £40 a month for 6 months instead. Either way, there are no further charges with this course. What if I can't make the Thursday calls? We're adding more calls all the time. We've already gone from just Thursday to Tuesdays and Thursdays. We've got afternoon calls coming soon, and we hope to add more evening calls before too long. Having said that, the video group sessions are not a mandatory part of the course itself. We have them to give you a focus and a challenge, and an easy way to ask questions directly to real people. But if you follow all your weekly tasks without doing any of the video groups, you will still become a confident Welsh speaker. Is the course north or south? And how do I choose? The audio lessons that form the core of the learning and speaking work and the listening exercises are available as either northern or southern dialect. If you have a connection of some kind with either the north or the south, go with that. If you have a connection with somewhere in the middle of the country, toss a coin. If you don't have a connection with anywhere in particular in Wales, toss a coin again. It really doesn't matter, because whichever dialect choice you follow, you'll end up able to understand the other one as well. Do I have to have a video camera? No, you don't. If you'd like to take a regular part in the group video calls, then a video camera would be great, but you're welcome to take part in them on an audio-only basis. Are there set enrolment times? Can you start any time? When will the course start? Whenever you process your course fee, you will immediately get taken to a confirmation page, sent a confirmation email, and sent an invitation to the private course community on Slack. Your class will then officially start the following Monday. What format do the tasks take? Listening to MP3s? Or real-world stuff? The tasks are a combination of quite a few different things, many of which are real-world stuff, but all of which can be completed via the internet if you don't live near any other Welsh speakers. If you have any further questions, then leave a comment on this video or email us at admin@saysomethingin.com and we'll get back to you as soon as possible, usually within 24 hours, sometimes much faster. If you're ready to register, then the URL you need is www.saysomethingin.com/6MWS.